I guess my first question is, can anything in the physical world get in the way of being able to manifest the reality that I want to have?
No. Nothing can get in your way but you.
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing can get in your way but your vibration. Now, you may perceive something is in your way, and as you perceive it, your vibration gets in your way, but that was an illusion.
An illusion. Because several years ago, my business was not happening very well, and I was searching for a reason why. What could I do to fix it?
The reason why is that your awareness was that your business wasn't happening. The reason why is that the dominant vibration that you activate most often was that your business wasn't happening.
Well, I have one question about an ancient philosophy or science called feng shui.
Brief. He promised brief.
I'll try to make my question brief. My question is can a building, and being in a building, can the energy that's flowing through that building, apart from the individual, cause things to happen in a person's life?
No.
Or could a person be drawn to a building?
Yes.
And because he's drawn to that building, things happen?
Yes. In other words, you are the vortex. And if you are not deliberately activating your vortex, then you can be affected by a feather falling off a bird.
Okay.
And when you do direct the energy of your own vortex, everything else is irrelevant.
Everything is possible.
Everything is possible. Yes. You are brief.
I knew you were going to call on me when the fellow asked about the Porsche Cabriolet, because I've gotten to a point in my life where I can have that car. And we've been going through all this gyration. Well, if I have that car, have I gotten to this point where, I could start losing what I have? But I know I know the answer to that already.
Well, when you maintain vibrational harmony with the things that you have, they remain in your experience. In other words, as you continue to appreciate them and as you continue to feel ease about them and you continue to adore them and love them and enjoy them, then they remain in your experience. But when you worry about them or fret about them, then that's a different vibration. And so it's the same answer. It's surprising that the seminar can be so long when we have one answer.
You talked about the virtual reality concept, and for me, what happens when I get out of the vibration that I love so much, that I experience almost all the time, it's fearful. And it's like...
Of course it is. In other words, it doesn't feel good to depart from your source. It doesn't feel good to find yourself in vibrational harmony with something that disallows the very source of your being to flow through you. It's not supposed to feel good to depart from your source. That's what your guidance system is telling you, you see.
Well, I'm afraid that even a little bit of attention to that fear is going to...
Oh, but put it in perspective. In other words, you are so much more connected to well-being. This is a very valid worry, and we hear it from deliberate creators all of the time. They say, oh, now that I know how powerful my thoughts are, now my thoughts are worrying me a little bit. And they say, oh, cancel. They try to suck it back so that something bad doesn't start activating on it. And we say, oh, your well-being is so huge in comparison. You have huge leeway, you see. Well-being abounds.
I keep saying to myself, I want to feel good, and I start feeling good, and I get out of it. So just keep doing that.
Absolutely. We have enjoyed this interaction immensely.
Thank you.
Practice, 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 practice. You know exactly what to do. Be playful about it. Be easy about it. Have fun with it. There is great love here for you. We are complete.